So hi guys, and this is the 7th channel of AWS Card Clash. So let's start playing already, and we will see. Oh, I can see I didn't switch the scene correctly. Hopefully, but hopefully you've seen the cards enough. If not, I will have to record a second video explaining what we'll be building. Okay, let's just play the game because I messed up. Okay, so we have CICD Pipeline for serverless applications, and now what? The user commits the code to code commits, right? And now pipeline artifact object storage built to retrieve any amount of data from anywhere, so that will be our S3. Build and test code with automating scaling. Automate code deployment to maintain application runtime. Automate continuous delivery pipeline for fast and reliable updates. Okay. So here we have our two lambdas in CloudFormation stacks, CloudFormation template, and here we have our two endpoints, create, maintain, and secure APIs at any scale. Okay, let's start with an energy card, and what can I do? AWS code deploy. Build and test, so that will be our building. Code build, how was it called, the service? Oh, I don't remember, just a second ago it was, I said it. And here we have build and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere. That will be probably S3. So just play it low for now, play lambda and secure it. Oh, he already secured a higher scorecard. Code deploy. So it seems like the code deploy will be here. And now discard the second one, although he can steal mine. So I could spare the AM one for lambda and wait for a better time to use it. My mistake. Code pipeline, so probably that this will be this one to handle the build and test automatic code pipeline. Okay, so I messed up. I lost an energy. So the code pipeline is used to automate the services and code deploy. No, code deploy is here. Deploy the code to the application. What was this? Code build? This card was called probably code build. Okay. Okay, if a gorilla strikes, it will strike both of my cards, so I lost so many energy. Only one. So I guess the functionality of a gorilla is strike one of mine cards and one of his. have 2 unsecured cards, so whenever he strikes, he'll strike mine and his lambda. Okay, I am on. I can secure this with iron wall. I will end turn as this, in case he will try to steal my bucket. Worst part scenario, he will place the cards right over here, right? Okay, my bucket will go down, and his code deploy one will go down. Secure lambda only with AM roll. Yeah, I'll discard the web application. Firewall. It doesn't seem like it will be anything of use for me. Noise. If he places code to build, I don't know, it will be a draw. It seems like it will be a draw. He doesn't have enough energy, and he discarded the cards that he could place here, so great job. Okay, I get 12 and I'll get 3 points. Code commit. Yeah, almost twice as much as he. So will this be a 3-star win? I'm not sure, but let's see. Okay, let's check the infrastructure. So AWS Cloud Pipeline, that's the major service to configure the CICD services. The code commit our repository and the pipeline artifacts. So whatever, I wonder why the arrow points to the S3 bucket. It's like we are retrieving artifacts to build our code from our repository, or are we producing artifacts and putting them to S3 bucket? But if we are putting them to S3 buckets, then why the code deploy is not retrieving those artifacts from there? Anyway, we have our code commit, our repository, we have our code build where we use the code from our repository to build and test our application, and then the build application is being deployed to CloudFormation stack. And we have 2 lambdas which do whatever and 2 endpoints configured in Gateway API. Okay, first attempt, 3 stars. I like the result of this match. Okay, thanks. I guess I won't have to replay this stage to get 3 stars. So let's just check what will be the next step. Data streams and visualization. Use Amazon Kinesis to ingest data, process it with AWS Glue, query through Amazon Athena, and visualize it with Amazon QuickSight, ensuring security and monitoring with IAM and Amazon CloudWatch. And quite a lot of new services. Amazon Connect is this not a connection service or call service? Huh. I don't remember what was it. QuickSight allows us to visualize our data, business data. Amazon Athena allows us to querying our data using SQL-like queries. AWS Glue Crawler and Glue Data Catalog, I never read about those anywhere. Well, Crawler will probably search our data, and the Glue gathers data from different sources and makes sense of them, put them somewhere in structured way, something like that. Kinesis Data Firehose collects data from different sources. Kinesis Data Stream, so it's a live stream of collecting data, or something like that. Okay, I'll probably have to read the card description next time. Anyway, thank you for watching for the 7th challenge of AWS Card Clash, and now see you in the video for the 8th challenge for the data streams. Thanks, bye.